Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install Pokemon Go on your Android phone. So the process is super straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. First of all, open up the Google Play Store. Then in the top search bar you just want to search for, as you can see it says Pokemon Go, but you just want to type Pokemon Go and then hit search. Once you have found the app, you can tap on install from this page, or you can tap on it and get further information on this game. But to install it, just tap the green install button and it'll say pending for a moment, and then the download will begin. Now make sure you're on a Wi-Fi connection so it doesn't use up all of your data. So you can see it is 106 megabytes in size. So I'll just give that a moment to complete. Okay, so as you can see, the download is coming to an end. It's now installing the game on my Android phone. And then once that is finished, it will say play in green, just like that. And you can now tap on play and begin playing Pokemon Go. And then you just go ahead and create your account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.